In James chapter 1 verse 2 to 3, sabi doon, "Consider it all joy, my brethren, when you encounter various trials, knowing that the testing of your faith produces endurance." So James wrote to the 12 tribes na dispersed, the 12 tribes of Israel who were dispersed abroad, meaning na scatter, because during that time Christians are being persecuted by the Romans. So they are being challenged, So sa kanila hindi ka pwedeng magpakilalang Kristiyano, sapagkat pagka nagpakilala ka na Kristiyano ka, they will persecute you. If you're a businessman, mawawalan ka ng business, walang bibili sa iyo, walang mag-hire sa iyo. And it was really challenging that time. So sabi ni James bilang encouragement sa kanila, consider it pure joy when you encounter various trial, because it produces endurance. If you are running in a marathon, so halimbawa yung Milo Marathon, kailangan mahaba yung endurance mo in order for you to run and reach 5K, 10K, or even 50K. So kung hindi mahaba yung endurance mo, hindi mo maabot yung mga goal na yun. Sa buhay Kristiyano, we are to be filled with endurance. Mahirap ang buhay ng tao. Lalo na kung mahirap ang buhay kung Kristiyano ka. And so, yaman rin lang na mahirap ang buhay, hindi maging Kristiyano ka na. Nga lang talagang hindi madali. Marami po ang sumusuko because of the lack of endurance. And James is telling us here na kapag merong mga trials, magalak daw tayo, because that trial will produce in us endurance. That one day, when the Lord calls us home, or when the Lord comes in His second coming, then we know that when we hang on to the end, na tayo mananatili hanggang huli, we know that we will be part of His kingdom, that we will be with Him together. And so, my friends, may pinagdadaanan ka, consider it pure joy. Huwag kang manghinayang. Huwag kang malungkot. Huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa. Huwag kang manghina. Tuloy-tuloy ka lang. Tuloy-tuloy ka lang. Because the Lord says that he who endures until the end will be saved. The word of the Lord for you today. God bless you.